Okay, this is an unboxing of a Baader Hyperion or Hyperion eyepiece, which I'm going to do now, and I will test it immediately on this Skywatcher Apochromatic Pro Series 80 ED. Let's open and see. So several layers of wrapping I've opened. Now this is the last one. Then we come to the box, actual box itself. Okay. This is the box for the Hyperion 68 degrees modular eyepiece. So this is a 21mm, and now I'm going to open it and see what is inside. Okay, oh, easy open. Yeah, I like these ones that open like that. Okay, usual bag. It comes in a pouch of itself, leather bag. Germans love leather, it seems. That's the eyepiece. And quite large eye lens. Oh, look at that big, massive lens. Just take a picture, a few pictures. Okay, now let's put the eyepiece inside the telescope. I'll put in the inside the 2-inch focuser part of it, and we look to it now. Okay, with the spacing between the eyepiece and the diagonal, it could not come to focus. So what I will do, I add this 1¼ inch adapter and use the Baader's 1¼ barrel like this, and let's see if it brings it in focus. We have now focus. That's really good. And this is the Skywatcher ED is a apochromatic telescope, and we go down to have a look. Yeah, beautiful image, good focus. The image is not flat, so you have distortion, but at the center is good. Very good, actually. I have to test it on the dark sky and the moon or other objects. In the daylight it gives beautiful results. Okay, with these fast telescopes that I've used, both of them refractors, Skywatcher ED80 and the Skywatcher 120 achromatic, and that ED is apochromatic. The best images were with this, and this. It didn't give me Altair Astro premium, didn't give me that premium quality image. And actually I can say that the center was good, but the rest of the image had blue purple fringing even in this apochromatic telescope. So I wonder it is because it is a fast fast scope, maybe in a slow scope like a Schmidt-Cassegrain, a Meade or Maxitop telescope. It will give good results. I may test it later, but at the moment I'm a little bit disappointed. It looks very beautiful. It almost looks like a Hyperion. It doesn't perform like a Hyperion. Surprise, surprise, these cheaper ones are or matching with the Hyperion. Ostara and Starguider.